Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. Today we are making pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. And this is a treat that my kids have always enjoyed, and so I thought I would share these with you for the holiday season. So make sure you check us out on all the social platforms.
Sorry.
Instagram and Facebook. Check us out there as well, and let's get back to the recipe. All right, I have a half of a can of pumpkin here. So however much is in a can, I just split it in half so I get 2 batches out of this. Put one in my refrigerator, use half, and it works out great. I have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup right here. Let me get all the maple syrup out. No man left behind. I have, where's my bacon? Here it is. You can hardly see it in there. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. See it in there? You can just barely see it.
Now we can.
Now we can. And I have a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice right here. And I have 2 teaspoons of chia seeds that I have ground up. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla right here. Vanilla extract. There's a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to mix all of this together first before I add in my flour. That way I know that my seasonings are equally incorporated throughout. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of flour. Let me get this mixed. Come on, come on, come on. And then I will add, whoa. I got a little vigorous there. Now I'm going to add the chocolate chips. I just have a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure you read the ingredients. First of all, read the ingredients on your pumpkin so that it's not pumpkin pie filling. It is pumpkin, just pumpkin. And then also read the ingredients on your chocolate chips to make sure they are not milk chocolate chips or anything like that. Add these in. I'm going to get them nice and mixed in so, you know, everybody gets some chocolate chip. My kids would have a fit, you know, if one cookie came out chipless. So we've got that. And then I have a baking sheet here with just a silicone sheet in the bottom. And this will make about 15 cookies. And so I'm going to scoop these out. And then let me tell you what I do. I have a little bit of flour here, and I'm going to take a fork. Let me get a fork real quick. And I just dip the fork into the flour, and then I flatten my cookie just a little bit. Just keep dipping your fork in the flour and like that. Now I'm going to fill up this sheet. And then I have a 375-degree oven already preheated, and I'm going to cook these for about 10 to 12 minutes, somewhere 9 to 12 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is. But 375 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then we will be back with the finished product. Okay, this is what they look like, and I cooked these for 10 minutes. It made 15 cookies, and of course, a few have already been eaten. Not by us, though. By the little gremlins in the room. But they are delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. We're K-Vegans on Instagram. We're Kindred Vegans on Facebook. We would love to have you join us. So try this recipe out. Let us know what you think, and we will see you next time.